Hey guys, follow us today as we visit Kente production towns Bonwere and Adanwomase. And these two towns are in Kumasi. We visited these towns and got to watch Kente production factories, and then overall the Kente is one of Ghana's populars and Ghana's traditional cloth, and it's very popular. It's become a representation for the diaspora as one of the most pan-Africanist cloth that you will ever see. And then we got to visit a cocoa farm, and we got to make some. So follow us on this journey.
But the economies are also centered around just one thing. Although with the women of it is local, and the mind was imported.
How does everyone make money when the town is centered around Kente?
How does everyone make money when the town is now?
So there are the weavers and the two markets, levels of people. Apart from women of people, what they actually use of farm.
So because it's like the Kente hub.
Hello guys, so we're at the Kente making place, Bonwere, and I guess this is the place, and they're gonna show us how they make Kente. As you can see right there, I'm very excited to learn about the process of Kente making and how Ghanaians are using that to shape their identity. But yeah, it's very interesting. So just keep watching, and then I'll update y'all. Bye. So these are the material for weaving the Kente. These cotton feel like original.
And this is the first process.
Can you do it again? Do it again. Yeah. Okay.
Alright, so I will need about maybe 2 or 3 for the weaving. This one is called the header. So after you're spinning, you wide spread as over there, then you insert these threads into this one by one. It's a very tedious way, but you need time. So you put it through one by one, and then this one is called the beater. You do the same, then you start your weaving. Here we have 3 main types of weave. We have the simple weave, we have the double, and then also the complex. So I'll demonstrate to you how we do the simple, and then if you don't have any, if you don't mind, you also have a try. So I'll demonstrate to you how we do the simple weave. Okay. So I'll put this in between my toes. Papa, let me watch you. And this one is called the shuttle. So I'm holding the shuttle at my left hand, holding only the wood to get free movement. So it is at my left hand, so I need to strike my left leg down. So left hand for left leg, right hand for right leg. So as I strike it down, you get this space here. I insert, and then I beat it. So it goes back, then it is now at my right, so I'll lose my left and press the right to get the space, enter, then I beat. Goes back in that manner. So this is how we do the simple weave. Simple as in there's no design, as plain as I'm doing. That's why it is called the simple weave. You get the concept? So coming off, and if anyone wants to have a try,
Okay.
so it is now at the right.
Okay.
Hold only the wood.
Only the wood.
And then strike the right and lose the left. You see the space over there?
Okay.
Enter.
Why did I have to
And beat it. You can hold the middle and beat it hard. Goes back. Don't
then it
even
goes
wipe
back.
your hands to
Okay.
that range. Then the left, get the space. Beat it. Good. And then in that manner.
Yeah, you have to memorize it. Wow. Oh, this is cotton too. Guys, so we're here at the other part of the hi Kente making or the same place, and we're visiting a different part of it to see how I guess Kente is made. So watch us. Where's the place? So we have a Kente making factory. And I guess if I'm confusing me. Sorry. So we're inside the factory, and here we're kind of getting a tour of the different workstations. So some people in the town will have their children who are in college. When they will come here and work and things like that to make money. So it's interesting seeing this kind of workforce and how it works for the town. I know, right? There's a lot of skills. I wonder how long the setup takes. I don't want distraction. Tour guide, Patrick, when you take it, most setting up, take it. How long? They was setting up. Now what tire you know?
To build a loop. How long does it?
It doesn't take more than a day.
A day. So who said it? Patrick, when you said what tire is setting up? Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. Oh, okay, this is our one now. Sorry. So, where's the man here? Oh, man, what do you feel? Okay. Give me the other part. I just bite it. Where did you find it?
This is made in Ghana.
No, here's come out from.
Natural cocoa in Ghana.
You bought it from here?
Yeah.
The store?
Thank you, Akwe.
Wow. Hey, so creative. Wow.
Setting up his room.
I feel like hey Coco. Hey guys, we're at the cocoa farm area, and it's just cocoa, and yeah, I'll show you guys more. But it's so cool. Look at this. Being in touch with nature is just beautiful. So hey guys, we're leaving from the Kente town. I guess that's a funeral. Another funeral. Oh, okay. That makes sense.
So like, which indoor exercises does he do? Like, press-ups, sit-ups. So like, how many press-ups does he do? Like, it doesn't count.
So we're leaving.
I am working in village. I thought inside the
doesn't count. That's the fight. So I'm like,
Bonwere, Kente leaving center. This is the place that we came and we're leaving.
81. That's good. Walking.
So he's counting the minutes.
Well,
I can't even do 2 push-ups. Nothing.
that's for real. Same.
My grandma lived a long life, and she walked. Yeah.
Okay, guys, so it's 3:30.
Another Kente village. I mean Kente city, and we're leaving the
Bonwere or Adanwomase. Adanwomase. Wait, Adanwomase. Okay. And yeah, hi, tell you want to say hi. Adanwomase. Oh, Adanwomase village or town. So as y'all can see, it's raining like crazy, but it looks really nice. Like, y'all, there's only like rain and the beautiful sand, red ice. You're gonna say nets here. So yeah, today was a very eventful day. We learned so much. We got to interact with locals and learn about how the kente is made. And it pretty much goes through a lot of processes, but yeah, today's been eye-opening overall. And it's just so insightful when you just get to visit with people who are using their own skills to kind of create the change that they want or build their own communities. Yeah. So thank you all for tuning in today.
So I only came to Kumasi because I was tired of being on the university campus. You don't want to be a student in school where your parents have built different computational tools for doing this. You can either do hardcore, pick a pen and pick, or you can use computational tools. And there's a whole plethora of methodologies, optimization technologies, modeling technologies that you can use to do these kinds of predictions, because that's what joint physics is about. It's about prediction, telling the future. What happens when we have these physical elements? How do what equations would be to predict what would happen if we have these physical components in the environment? Quite a while, maybe 10. Well, then that's maybe 12, 15 years, yes. Maybe, yeah. Left. So, we're going to my wife's school because, yes, left. So, we're going to Doctor's. Hey, I'm sorry, Mayor. Please, I'm here, sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please, we are going to Dr. Cody's.
Try to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind.